Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you an easy to make YouTube intro using your PowerPoint. Here we go. We're going to do something like this using PowerPoint. One more preview. Alright, ready, get set, go. First thing to do is open the PowerPoint. Blank presentation. Click layout and blank, choose blank. Insert first picture. Then change the shape into circle. Click the image, then control click the circle. Go to drawing tools, let's merge the shapes and intersect. Click picture border, choose black, choose the weight, let's choose 3 point. Okay. Then let's go to your web, copy and paste a subscribe icon from the web. Control V to paste. Do the same with the like icon. Right click, copy image, and Control V to paste. And lastly, let's look for share icon. Copy and paste. Click, right click. Copy image, Control V to paste. Okay, now we have the 4 icons. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 3 icons, not 4. Now align the icons at the center. Let's line our first picture, align center and align middle. Click on animations and let's look for, let's click the picture first, click on animations and zoom. Alright. Next, let's put the like icon. Picture tools, align center and align middle. Let's go to animations again and zoom. Next is the share icon. Picture tools, align center and align middle. Now let's go to animations again. Always we have zoom here. The 4 icons are zoom, animation. Bring it to front. Zoom it a little bit. Perfect. Now let's click zoom. Okay. Picture tools, let's align it. Align center and align middle. Select them all and go to animation. Click start. After preview. And then change duration to 1 second. Let's have a preview. Alright. Next, we'll add an animation to the subscribe icon. We have 3, grow shrink. Next, add pulse animation. Add animation. Select pulse. Let's add one more teeter animation. Okay, let's have a preview. Next, let's put some fading effects. Square shape, choose black, then let's go to animations. Let's choose random bars. Effect options, choose vertical. Let's add one more animation. Pulse. And let's set the pulse animation to 2 seconds. Let's have a preview again. Alright. Now let's save it as MP4, export, create a video. Let's select Full HD 1080p, create video, choose the folder to save in, video, file name, let's put intro, then save. Let's wait for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, oh, done. Now let's add some music using Microsoft Video Editor. This is a free editor from Microsoft. Can be found on Windows 10. Name your video intro. Okay. Let's add the video intro, open, put it in our storyboard. Let's select background music. Now choose the background music you prefer. And export your video and you're done. Yay!